Hi. Well, my sister was singing I Think I Love You, so that wasn't right. And I'm going to sing Raindrops and I Think I Love You. So here's Raindrops. Raindrops keep falling on my head. But just Lily. But just like the guys feed two people is there, nothing seems to fit. Cause who's they send to meet me won't defeat me. Won't be long till happiness there's a sweetness of raindrops keep falling on my head. That doesn't mean my singing something wet right about me. Cause I'm never gonna stop them back playing. Cause I'm free, nothing worrying me. Now that was a little bit of jazz. Now I'm gonna sing I Think I Love You the right way. My sister sang it wrong with. It's a little bit rock and roll. Ba 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 ba. I'm sleeping and riding never keep me. Call it once I wake up on something that keeps knocking at my brain. Before I go insane, I feel to my head and scream up in my bed, screaming out the words I said. I think I love you. I think this morning I woke up with this feeling I didn't know how to deal with, and so I just decided to myself, I lied to myself, and never talk about it, and did not go and shout when you walked me through. I think I love you, I think I love you, I think I love you, so what am I so afraid of? Afraid that I'm not sure of, a love there is no cure of. So it worries me to say that I never felt this way. I don't know what I'm up against. I'm not sure. I don't know what it's all about. Not so much as anyway. Hey, I think I love. So what am I so afraid of? Afraid that I'm not sure of. I love there is no cure for. So it worries me to say that I never felt this way. Believe me, you really don't have to worry. I only want to make you happy. And if you say, hey, go away, I will. But I think that it's still better stay around enough. Do you think I have a case? Let me ask you to say, do you think you love me? Oh, I think I love you. Oh, I think I love you. Oh, I think I love you. But bye.